So let's take a look at the biggest talking point. And Federal Reserve officials are thread into their two-day policy meetings, a step closer to the lower inflation target. Key question remains the quantum of the rate cut. Like I mentioned, a week's worth of inflation data show that the price pressures have eased substantially since their meteoric rise since 2021-22. One of the gauge of consumer prices showed that 12-month inflation at its lowest since February 2021, while the wholesale price measures indicated pipeline price increases are mostly under control. On a simpler note, if you put all of that, the Federal Reserve has two jobs. One is stable prices and a healthy job market, and the primary mission looks about to change. That's what it looks like it now.
Alright, on to some more important news and updates then. Details still emerging from the latest suspected assassination on US presidential candidate Donald Trump. But here's what we know so far. Shots were fired near Trump's golf course in West Palm Beach in Florida. The apparent attempt on Trump's life came just 2 months after he was shot at a campaign rally in Pennsylvania, sustaining a minor injury to his right ear as well.
Alright, shifting focus to China then, where the retail sales industrial production in the month of August grew slower than expected. The retail sales rose by about 2.1% on a year-on-year basis, missing the economists' expectations of about 2.5% rise. Meanwhile, the industrial production rose by about 4.5% on a year-on-year basis, lagging the forecast of 4.8%. The urban unemployment rate was 5.3% in August and an uptick from 5.2% in the month of July. What is important to note is that the growth in the world's second largest economy has slowed after disappointing recovery from the COVID-19 lockdowns, and policymakers are yet to announce large-scale stimulus while acknowledging that the domestic demand is insufficient.
And well, that's not all when it comes to China. Home prices in China have fallen at the fastest pace in more than 9 years in August. What's evident is that the central bank's supportive measures have failed to spur a meaningful recovery in the property sector. New home prices were down 5.3% from a year earlier, the fastest pace since May 2015, compared with a 4.9% slide in July. In monthly terms as well, prices have fallen for the 14th straight month, downtick of about 0.7% coming in, matching a dip in July as well.
Alright, then on to some other important news then. Oracle's best week on the stock market since 2021 has boasted Chairman Larry Ellison's net worth, briefly edging him past the Amazon founder Jeff Bezos on Friday to become the world's second richest person. Ellison's net worth reached about $208.4 billion, while Bezos, who has claimed the title of the world's second richest person on and off over the years, is worth about $204 billion. Only Elon Musk at $252 billion is currently above him.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.